Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Although you download Windows 8 Simulator for PC, no BlueStacks, no Happy Mod, no Google Play, no Apple. So you can search Windows 8 Simulator. Now you have simulator.chip. Download chip, press download. Now press save. Oh! Whoa! This is a virus! Yup, this is virus because our website got clean. Now clean it, guys. You need this antivirus. This is not good. It can break your PC, damage it, and everything. So yes, malvadia. Yeah, this is secure, I think. I downloaded it sometime, I think. So you download it, then press setup.exe, go there and press yes. Yes, next. Change it to games. Because if you go into program files, then the windows go badly. So create a new folder into games. Okay, this is so interesting. Go to games, go to new folder right-click, rename it to 1.8 Simulator, like this. This is selectable. Okay, gonna search 1.8 Simulator. 1.8. Okay. I'll go to back. You need to browse your thing. 1.8 sim. Click on that. Press OK. Press next. Windows. No. It's so good. So make variables. No, install shortcuts for contract user only. Press next. Next. Installation finish. There is the Windows 8. Now press this right here. Come on, turn on. I shut down the thing. Okay, there is the things. You have name and Windows 8. So exit. Press turn on and wait. And it wait then. Yeah. Drag up to unlock. Drag it up. Oh my god. Press submit the administralo. Oh. So this is bad. Okay, stop. I want to close. Okay, website is not working, guys. Don't open it because this is bad. I need to restart my game. See? Okay, just close it. So there is actually the Windows 8. You press desktop, then yeah, it's not desktop, just this is Windows 8 Simulator. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe now. Bye.